Hello, everyone. My name is Ignacio. I also go by Iggy. Um, when I think of what my experience has been with learning research, I think back to undergrad, and my experience really has been mostly just being given a topic and then going on my own or working with a group to towards finding evidence of different articles to support that topic. Or finding the different evidence that proves that the uh, topic is not accurate. So that's really been most of my research experience so far. Um, what would make learning research fun for me? I think one of the things that definitely makes it much more interesting and makes things much more fun is being able to kind of choose a topic of my own. That is always, for me at least, um, engages me much more rather than just being given a topic. Although a lot of times some of the topics that are given in different courses can be actually very interesting. But for me, being able to pick my own topic is what really helps making the a project much more fun for me. After viewing the syllabus, um, one of the things that excites me about is the different the core values of the course and the objectives of the course. They seem to align very well with what I'm hoping to get out of this class. So that excites me for it. Well, thank you for watching.